This partnership has just been a critical and important event for us, and we want to celebrate this today, this partnership between UB and the New York State DEC. Like the DEC, UB is really committed to doing its part to promote healthier and more equitable environment in New York State and beyond.
The waste that's generated all across the state, we want more of it to be recycled, of course. We want less waste to begin with. But we also need to look at some of those waste streams, in particular plastics. Plastics being one of those exceedingly difficult things to recycle because there are so many different kinds of plastics. And today, I'm proud to say that we are launching the New York State Center for Plastic Recycling Research and Innovation.
A multidisciplinary team encompassing operations management, economics, communication, engineering, polymers, and material science will conduct the project.
Our faculty and students are constantly challenging themselves to examine all sides of a problem and find solutions that have the greatest societal impact.
So I'm very proud to deliver today the great news, starting from the Governor Hochul, that we're providing $4.5 million to bring this UB-DEC partnership to the next level.
With this New York State Center of Excellence on Plastics Recycling and Innovation, we hope to make a transformative impact to plastics recycling and establish a globally recognized effort in this area here at UB.
This is a really bright day for DEC and New York and Governor Hochul, and I believe it's a bright day for this relationship as well with the university.